Hello and welcome back. Today, we'll show you how to create Proxmox templates so you can deploy new virtual machines in just seconds. Let's get started. First, connect to your Proxmox server either via SSH or directly using the web console. Log in as root with your password. Run the following commands to update your system and install the necessary tools: apt update and apt install libguestfs-tools. Wait until the installation is complete. Most of the time, ISOs are stored in /libbib/vs-template/iso/. Go to this directory and prepare your ISO for template creation. Copy the command from the description below. Here you can also change your root password for the template. I'll also show you how to add your SSH key to make logging in easier. We'll create a directory to store configuration files: mkdir configs, cd configs, nano authorized keys. Paste your public SSH key into this file and save it. Go back to your ISO directory. Paste the command from the description again. Here you can adjust memory, CPU cores, and the template ID. Once it finishes, you'll see your template appear in the Proxmox web UI. Use the following command to create a new VM. qemu-clone your template ID via Start your VM, qemu-start VM ID, or in the web UI. You can monitor the VM console for any errors. Press Enter in the console to interact. To get your VM's IP address, run qemu-guest-agent network get interfaces. Now you can connect using the user and SSH key you configured earlier. That's it. You've successfully created a Proxmox template and deployed a VM in seconds. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for commands and resources.